Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The list of engines mechanics love to hate doesn't end there. Some manufacturers created designs so complicated and repair-heavy that they've become legendary in repair shops around the world. In this part, we're diving deeper into even more car engines that push mechanics to their limits. The tight packaging made repairs even worse. Accessing certain components often required removing multiple surrounding parts, dramatically increasing labor time. Mechanics frequently found themselves spending hours just to reach the area needing repair. For owners, this translated into repair costs that could reach thousands of dollars. For mechanics, it meant frustration with a design that prioritized engineering innovation at the expense of practicality. Subaru's Boxer engines are another common source of frustration. Subaru enthusiasts often praise Boxer engines for their low center of gravity, which improves vehicle balance and handling. While this design offers performance advantages, it can also create serious maintenance challenges. Unlike traditional inline or V-shaped engines, Boxer engines have cylinders positioned horizontally on either side of the engine block. This layout often leaves very little room for mechanics to work, especially in tightly packed engine bays. Replacing spark plugs, for example, can become a difficult task requiring awkward tool angles and significant patience. Older Subaru Boxer engines were especially infamous for head gasket failures. Repairing a blown head gasket is already a major job, but the Boxer layout often made it even more labor-intensive. In many cases, mechanics needed to remove the engine entirely to perform the repair properly. This added labor cost made what was already an expensive repair even more painful for vehicle owners. Then there is the Mini Cooper, particularly turbocharged models. Despite their stylish appearance and fun driving characteristics, these vehicles often create headaches for mechanics due to their incredibly cramped engine bays. Engineers packed components into such a small space that routine repairs often require removing multiple unrelated parts just to gain access. Something as simple as replacing a thermostat housing or fixing an oil leak can involve significant disassembly. Mechanics often describe working on these cars as solving a puzzle where every piece blocks access to another. The issue is not necessarily poor engineering quality, but rather a lack of consideration for serviceability. Audi's older 4.2-liter V8 presents another classic example of frustrating design. This engine delivers excellent performance and refinement, but it became infamous for timing chain issues. The biggest problem is where Audi chose to place the timing chain system, at the rear of the engine near the firewall. This placement means that replacing worn timing chain components often requires removing the entire engine from the vehicle. A repair that might be manageable in other engines becomes a massive labor-intensive process. Owners often face repair bills so high that some choose to sell the vehicle rather than fix it. Mechanics, meanwhile, know they are in for a long and complicated job whenever one of these vehicles arrives with timing chain noise. Even some high-performance exotic engines can be difficult to work on. Manufacturers often prioritize speed, aerodynamics, and compactness over maintenance accessibility. While this makes sense for achieving top-tier performance, it creates significant challenges for service technicians. Mechanics working on these vehicles often need specialized tools, advanced training, and extensive disassembly procedures for even minor repairs. But why do manufacturers design engines this way in the first place? The answer lies in competing priorities. Modern automakers face enormous pressure to improve fuel economy, reduce emissions, increase power output, enhance safety, and fit more technology into limited space. Engineers must balance all of these factors, and sometimes serviceability becomes less important than meeting performance or regulatory goals. For example, turbocharging allows manufacturers to produce smaller engines with higher power output and better fuel efficiency. However, adding turbochargers increases complexity and heat management challenges. Similarly, compact engine bays improve vehicle aerodynamics and crash safety, but they often leave less room for repairs. The result is that many modern engines are marvels of engineering but can also be incredibly frustrating to maintain. Mechanics often appreciate technical innovation, but they also understand that a design should remain practical for long-term ownership. It is important to note that a difficult-to-service engine is not necessarily a bad engine. Some problematic engines still deliver excellent performance and reliability when properly maintained. Many owners love their vehicles despite higher maintenance costs. However, from a mechanic's perspective, engines that create unnecessary complexity naturally earn a poor reputation. For car buyers, understanding this can make a huge difference. A vehicle may look attractive on the showroom floor and offer impressive specifications, but long-term ownership costs often depend heavily on engine design. Researching reliability, common repair issues, and maintenance complexity before purchasing can save thousands of dollars over the life of the vehicle. Mechanics often say that the best engines are the ones designed not only for performance but also for practicality. Engines that allow easy maintenance tend to stay on the road longer, cost less to repair, and create fewer frustrations for everyone involved. At the end of the day, mechanics do not hate certain engines because they are difficult to repair. They dislike them because many of the challenges they present could have been avoided through smarter engineering decisions. When an engine turns a basic repair into a multi-hour project, it increases costs, wastes time, and creates stress for both technicians and owners. The next time you hear a mechanic groan when a particular car enters the shop, remember that there is usually a reason behind it. Beneath the hood may be an engine whose design has earned its place on the list of machines mechanics love to hate. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.